Okay, Bonse, here we are in this lesson looking at the text editor. So, text editor. What is a text editor? So, a text editor, as you can see, is a software used to write HTML code. So, text editor emotulembela code ya HTML. Okay, they use it to write other programming code as well. But for now, we are looking at the HTML. So, environment yo tulembelamo code ya HTML. So you are writing HTML code. This is the environment you are going to write the HTML code in. You type your code in the text editor. So I'm a text editor. Examples yengi. So text editor teimo kwaliva yengi software yonse text editors ayapusana kwaliva nanika ne notepad kamwasanga notepad. When you go, if you are on a Windows computer, you go on the start menu, you go in the accessories, you find a notepad there. That is a text editor. You can also download others like Sublime Text na yena ni text editor. Kuli Notepad++ kuti mwaichita nani kani download na yoni text editor. Nga mwaya futi kuti mwaichita download even other softwares like Dreamweaver. Na mwena kuti mwalembera mo Dreamweaver yali wabwino because yali kwata na graphic na upa kulembera code. Then there are so many more out there. You just need to choose which ones you can work out good for you. But the ones I've listed upper, so Notepad, Sublime Text, Notepad++, are common area. So here let's just look at the way a basic text editor looks like. A basic text editor will usually look like this, with the file, edit, format, view, help. Other complex editors will have even something like more functions. Yala kwata na yambi ama functions nangula na fimbi fewa vika mwifia kuchita. But a basic, this one is an example of a notepad sangwamu Windows. So this is the environment where we write our code. So you want to do your code, kuya muli text editor. Wire text editor, Notepad, Notepad++, now Sublime Text, mulia mwaisula. That is where you start writing your code. As you can see, this is a code here for HTML, and if you have noticed, on top there is the doc type, a basic HTML code. On top there's the doc type, declaration, the HTML and closing, the body with the closing, the H1 tag. On this side there's an opening, and on the other side the closing. So if you don't close the tags, tafia monike pa browser, or fiala mipera code yenu, fiala mipera if you mulembere code. They are not supposed to give you, when you write a page, the code for a page, they are not supposed to give you your code on the browser. They are supposed to give you only if we fiaba muli body, file mulembere, if file sangwapo. Like in this code here, what you expect to see is the just something that is reading my first heading or my first paragraph. I think I'll see if I can just give you an example at the end here. But that is how a notepad looks like. This is how the environment that we write the HTML code looks like. A notepad is not where your website resides. I think, let me emphasize, website taikala pa notepad. Website ikala kumbilimbi mu folder. For you, we assume we develop on the local machine. Your folder, maybe you make a folder per desktop. That is where you save this file, this HTML file will be saved in your folder. That is where your website is, in that folder. So the notepad is just a means. Take it like Word. Namulefu okutype document. Document mwala wonfya Word. Word mwaisula Microsoft Word. Then mwamba okulemba letter yenu. Then mwala isave yala ikala muri folder. Somewhere muli amwine. So mu folder emo yikere. Tayikere muri Word, so Word, Microsoft Word software iyo. I hope you get that one correct. The website, don't say the website is on the notepad. No, the website is not on the notepad. But the website is written using a notepad. Hey, join me in the next lesson. We continue.